What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Unfortunately, I'm going to start this video off with some bad news, but ended up with some really good news. So to start off, my Beats Studio headphones finally broke. I've had them for about 6 years. They've been nothing but phenomenal. I've loved them every second of every day. I've fallen asleep in them. I went to high school with them. These have been some fantastic headphones and I love them dearly, and I'm sad that they are finally broken. They will not turn on anymore. I've replaced the batteries a couple times in them. They take 2 AAA batteries. I bought a brand new pack of batteries last night at the store and I just cannot get them to turn on. They have this awful crack in them. The leather is worn out around the ear cups. It's worn out on the headband. It's actually, there's no leather at all to be found on the headband. It's completely gone. So I decided to buy a new pair of headphones. And now, if you'll remember, I did do an unboxing at a first impressions. Excuse me, I'm still a little bit sick. I did an unboxing into first impressions of the Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones last week, or this week rather, and I liked them, but for about $80 more, I went with something a little bit different. Not entirely different, but I went with the Sony WH1000X M3s. These have been receiving rave reviews all over the internet. I'm super excited to do an unboxing and a first impressions with you today. These are going to be my new headphones. They're wireless, they're Bluetooth. They work with iOS and Android, obviously. And you know what? I've been using a lot of Sony products lately and I've been enjoying them, so why not make the switch to the Sony WH1000X M3s, which have been receiving awesome reviews all over the internet lately. So let's go ahead and do a bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. So don't mind this ugly sticker here. I went with the black pair. There's actually a silver pair, which I'm kind of regretting I did not get, but nonetheless, here they are. So far, the unboxing experience is pretty premium. I haven't opened up the headphones yet, but as you'll see on the front of the box here, we've got Google Assistant enabled, high-res audio, 30 hours, Bluetooth, wireless, their noise cancellation, or their noise canceling headphones. On the back of the box, we've got some imagery for how to use them. So they come with this really nice carrying case. There's a little annotation here of how to use the built-in buttons. So we've got volume up, volume down, rewind, fast forward, play, pause, activate the Google Assistant. And then here's what they look like. Okay, so what's included in the box? Okay, so let's see, 10-minute charge, play up to 5 hours, music playback time, 30 hours maximum, compatible with Google App and Siri. So headphone cable, plug adapter for in-flight use, USB Type-C cable, and a carrying case. So that's everything in the box. Let's go ahead and open them up and see what they look like. So they just come right out like so. And I'll leave the box off to the side so you get some of that beautiful box art. Okay, so the unboxing experience isn't as eventful, I would say, as the Beats were, but this carrying case looks a hell of a lot nicer. Oh, and by the way, it matches the headphones. See, that was actually my serious qualm with the Beats, was that I bought this navy blue pair and the carrying case was black, which was really strange. So you had this black carrying case and these navy blue headphones, but that's not the case with the Sony WH1000X M3s. You got some crap in there, but they fold up really nicely. Do they feel more premium than the Beats? Well, I really like this fold-in design. So this is actually a first for me. These are really akin to the Bose Quiet Comforts, the way that they fold in. But as you see here, we've got the USB Type-C. Oh no, that's not USB Type-C, I'm sorry, I apologize. USB Type-C is on the bottom here, so that's really nice to see is USB Type-C. I'm really happy that it has come with the headphones. Overall, the build quality looks and feels premium. The Beats headphones look like they were for kids. I'll just come out and say it right now. These headphones look like they are for an adult. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the carrying case here. So we'll put these off to the side. So far, I really like the build quality of these. So we get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm adapter cable. We get USB to USB-C, USB 3.0 to USB-C, and we get the adapter for airplanes. So what's really cool about this carrying case is that it actually comes with slots for each cable. So there's really not a whole lot of cable management that you have to do. Plus they're wireless anyway, so you might as well just keep those cables in there. Okay, so you get this little graphic here of how they work, and this very cool minimalist looking case with this pocket in the front, which is really cool. So we'll put that off to the side. We'll bring out the handy dandy iPad, and we will turn these bad boys on and we will get to using them. So let's go ahead and power them on. The power button's on the bottom here. They are on. Let's see if they connect right away. What was really nice about the Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones was that because they are owned by Apple and have the Apple wireless chip inside, they connect to any Apple device automatically. So that was really nice, but that doesn't look to be the case here. So I'm gonna have to go to Bluetooth and go ahead and turn on the WH1000X M3s. And just like that, oh, so the accessory Sony's headphones uses an app you do not have installed. Would you like to get it from the App Store? Okay, so I'll go to the App Store and I'll download it. Now, I just unboxed these, so I'm taking you through the process here. Oh, they're playing. Okay, so what's really cool is it looks like you do not have to download the application. So that's really cool right off the bat. That's something I did not want to do. They are playing, folks. They are working. So all you have to do is connect them through Bluetooth and they will work. Okay, now let's see what they sound like. So this is the right side. Probably gonna have to extend them a little bit because of my hat. A little bit. Ooh, these are really comfortable, and the noise cancellation is out of this world so far. I would say better than the Beats. I can hardly hear myself talk. We will play some royalty-free music. The noise cancellation is much better than the Beats. I wouldn't say much better, like it's not out of this world better, but it is definitely better. I can hardly hear myself talk. Sound quality is nice. These are what I expected. I wouldn't say the sound quality is better than the Beats. I would just say that the noise cancellation is better than the Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones. And maybe that's all you need. Maybe all you need is really good noise cancellation. Yeah, the noise cancellation is kick-ass on these headphones. Sound quality is, you know, audio quality is not much different from my Studios. Or from the Studio Wireless 3 headphones I reviewed last week. Not much different. But the noise cancellation is awesome. I cannot say it enough. The noise cancellation is awesome. So, for 350 bucks, the Beats Studio Wireless 3 headphones were $280. You're getting a much more premium look and feel. You're getting a much more mature look with these headphones. This is definitely more oriented towards a businessman, a much older audience. Folks, branding alongside the ear cup is so last year. These headphones, as you can see, Sony is embossed right above it on the headband, but nowhere on the ear cup at all. It is so last year, folks. These are very minimalist looking, very stylish. I am super happy to be an owner of the WH1000X M3s. I am so happy to finally not have a pair of headphones that have a cord. I am actually super excited and I'm looking forward to using these headphones. My name is John. The Sony WH1000X M3s are a big box good. You're watching S.I.N.